and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting the red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit the notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So today's video, I am vlogging, and I am vlogging from the fantastic place of Malta. So got in yesterday. I did a little bit of a room tour, so I will pop that in now so you can have a look. We're staying at the Salona hotel in I think it's Mila, so I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but that's where we're staying. I will pop all the details and links for everything in the description box down below, so if you are thinking of coming to Malta and want to get an idea of maybe where you could stay, it's a really nice hotel. As you can see by the footage, it's a really good size. We got the economy room, so we didn't get anything mega special, but it's still really nice hotel. So so yesterday when we got in, by the time we got to the hotel, I think it was about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, Malta time. So we had a little bit of a mooch round, just kind of had a little look to see what it was about, had something to eat and a little restaurant around the way, and then kind of just retired because we had a pretty long day. I think we were up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock to travel and all the rest of it. So today is the very first day of a full day. The weather is beautiful, as you can see. It's quite bright here, so hopefully I'm not too washed out, but I'm not used to this kind of sunshine and daylight, just because you know, in the UK it's dreary and dark. Oh, that's a bit better maybe. Yeah, so it's a bit dreary and dark in the UK. So we're gonna, I've got up and I've been to the gym. Did a little workout, did a little session in, nothing too crazy. Went in the sauna. They've got a sauna in here as well. Pool, got a rooftop pool. I'll put a bit of footage in of the rooftop pool as well. When we got here yesterday, again, it was absolutely beautiful, so I'll pop that in as well. And so we're gonna technically go for breakfast. It's a little late, I think it's about 11:30 or something like that here. So we're going to go for breakfast, and then there's a beach just down the way, so we're going to go down there, have a little look around as well, and pretty much that's it. And then maybe just have a little bit of mooch for today, and then tomorrow we're probably going to go to Valletta and spend the day there. So I will show you what we do for today. So yeah, come with me whilst we're in Malta.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ay, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ay, type of love I can't hide. Ay, maybe wanna blow your line. Ay, you dope finna slow your line. Ay, I never wanna blow your high. Look, baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Exit 110 and hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get the late?
So we made it to the beach. As I say, I can't remember, I don't know what the beach is called. I would have put it somewhere. So I've had myself a little ice cream, and it's pretty quiet on the beach. There's a few people around, sat in the sun, so I'm not freezing. There's people actually sunbathing, like, and looks like they've been sat in the sun for a while because they're a little bit red. But yeah, so I'm just gonna chill on said beach. I've stopped vlogging on my camera and use my phone. I need to figure out the settings on it, because when I'm trying to vlog on that, it's just getting like really bright, and I don't know what I'm doing with it. I need to adjust things on it. I don't know what I'm adjusting, and I don't have the time because I'm on vacation. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish off my ice cream now. It's more or less soup. Oh god, that was just water. It's more or less soup, and then probably I need a cocktail. I've not had a cocktail yet. I mean, it is only like 1 o'clock-ish, isn't it? Something like that. However, my thing is I'm on vacation, so I want you know, cocktails. So that's what we're gonna do shortly. But yeah, thought I'd just check in. But it's really nice. It's really quiet. I think when you live in a city, it's you're just not. I'm not used. I like the quiet, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not used to it literally being It's quiet. There's no music, there's no shouting, there's no real anything. It's just so peaceful, which is nice, which is what I wanted. Just to go away and relax, really. So yeah, but yeah, just day 1 in Malta. I will probably pick you guys up a little bit later. So we made it to the rooftop terrace, and then, as you can see, I don't even know if you can see me. I don't even know, because I can't see because the sun is directly in my eyes. But we're up on the roof terrace finishing off pretty much the day, really. What time is it now, actually? Is it 5 o'clock? It's not even 5 o'clock yet. It's not even 5 o'clock yet. It feels like we've been up forever. And it's literally still got half a day left. It's because I'm old. And I'm drinking a strawberry daiquiri, and this is like a slushy one, so I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the evening. I might have a nap. I mean, if I have a nap, that means I probably won't get back up again, so I probably won't have a nap. That'll be over. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill, so I'll flip you around so you can see, but I pretty much showed you this the other day. But I thought we would come and okay, so we are now at the bus stop waiting to get the bus. A few people here, but yeah, hopeful that it'll be here shortly so we can get on and get into the letter. So as I say, I'll show you when we're on and some of the sights on the way. So yeah, beautiful day here. Not pretty much not a cloud in the sky. Really, really nice. Yeah. Oh, and I'll link my sunnies in the description if you're interested. These are from Amazon. Nice little find. They've been a godsend. So yeah, anyway.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ay, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ay, type of love I can't hide. Ay, maybe wanna blow your line. Ay, you don't finish no your line. Ay, I never wanna blow your high. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Exit 110 to hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get a late night session? Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night sexing? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone, you should miss it. Why you acting tough when you know you submissive? Calling your bluff on the roll, ain't switching. Ringing doorbell and the rose came with it. And if you really with it, yeah, rose came with it. Shit so sweet, pack of honey still dripping. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind. Wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind. Give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind. That's what's on my mind, on my mind.
yeah, we're just towards, we just had a beverage, as you saw, from the cutaway, so we're just walking down through some of the side streets. Yeah, it's getting a little bit cooler now, and I feel like the sun's kind of, I don't want to say setting, but it's getting, you know, a little later. What time is it actually now? Let me just check. It is 5:15. But yeah, so we'll probably be heading back to Melia. Did it say Melton? Meliha. I think that's how I pronounce it. So we'll be heading back that way very shortly. I'm pretty hungry now, so I think we're going to try and get something to eat. So yeah, but it's been a really nice day. I'm a little tired, so I'm looking forward to retiring in the hotel. But yeah, it's been really nice. So we've got a full day tomorrow, and then I'd say we travel back on the Monday. So I would say definitely 4 days is enough. I don't feel like we would have needed more to be able to see what we wanted to see. So yeah, so I feel like I've only done 6,500 steps. I feel like I've done about 16,500 steps. I feel like I've been walking for all day, but I think it's because we've been stopping in between. But yeah, so far so good on we're on day 3, aren't we? Yeah, day 3 of the trip to Malta. Would I return? Yes, I would return. I think in the summertime, I feel like the vibe would be so much different, and I don't want to say better, but obviously it'd be a lot warmer. Obviously people would be sat out more in the outside bars and things like that, so I just feel like the vibe would be different. So for at the moment, this moment in time with me recording, I would come back, and I would love to come back in the warmer months, so in the summertime. But again, I feel like it'd be mad busy in the summertime, just because it's such a popular place. So yeah, if you've got any questions or anything about, you know, the travel, what it was like, anything like that, anything I can answer. I say I've never been before, so I don't know all the details, but I'm more than happy to, you know, fill you in on what I can and what my experiences was like. So yeah, pop them in the comment section down below if you do have any questions. And I'm gonna drop now because I can hear there's some music in the background and no one wants to get copyrighted, so I will catch you in a bit. Which way did we go? We went up that way, didn't we? Oh, before I was rudely interrupted, Ms. Brown, just called me about. See, this is the thing when you're recording, you're supposed to put your phone on it's airplane mode so that people can't call you whilst you're vlogging, supposedly. But anyway, so yeah, so as I was saying, I think I was saying that we didn't find anything appetizing at the restaurants over there, so we've just looked at this one over here as well. That one there, but again, nothing too appetizing, so we're hoping that this one that we went to last time is going to be the one and not the 2. But yeah, beautiful day in Meliha. So our drinks are got the local beer, it's called Sisk beer, really nice. I'm just gonna pan you round. Just walk away. So this is absolutely beautiful. And that's just the rest of the very nice. So we're just gonna enjoy some lunch. I've ordered some chicken
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you. So yes, we're just going to enjoy and chill out for the afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock now, so optimum time. And I'm going to go and get myself an ice cream from that place that we got yesterday for dessert. I've already kind of scheduled that in, so that's what we're going to do there. And then so enjoying the day. I'll catch us in a bit. There we go.